Today I've come to Liverpool to surprise a few of my friends. They think I've come to visit them for the weekend. What they don't know is I'm about to whisk them away to North Wales. So let's go say hello. They're in. Hello, Jess.
Hi!
Surprise!
What are you doing?
Can we come in? Come on, let's go in.
Yeah, come in.
Oh, morning!
Look at this.
What's going on?
I don't know.
You at home might recognise these three are Hollyoaks.
What are you doing?
So, you know I'm supposed to be coming up here to spend the weekend with you in Liverpool.
Yes.
And every time I'm up here, we say, oh, we should plan a weekend to North Wales, but it's never happened. So
Makes you never get your act together.
Well, funny you should say, because I've been very busy over the past week arranging a jam-packed weekend for us in North Wales, doing the best attractions. But the only thing is, so you'd have to go pack your bags now if you're up for it.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on then, let's get packing. So now that you've got over the shell, I can reveal a little bit more about the weekend. We're going to visit Gwynedd, Conwy and Ynys Môn, which is Anglesey, as well as doing a lot of activities. I'm glad you brought your swimwear, that's all I can tell you.
Oh,
goodness. Right, here we go.
Hello guys! So, we did have an original plan of going for a bit of a paddleboard, but unfortunately the wind has picked up, really big waves, so what we're going to do instead is go for a bit of a surf. So,
Have you surfed
before?
Any of you?
No,
Never.
obviously not.
Same.
I'm from Manchester.
Sweet then guys, so this is a bit of a competition. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves, like I said, into the water. We're going to see the first one to stand up.
My money's on Jess. I think she's a dark horse.
So now's the time to get out guys, where it's nice and flat. Up.
Absolutely, I drank so much seawater.
She took me out. I was just going towards the outside.
Straight for first place, okay? 2. Mate, I'll give it to you. Mate.
Well done, mate.
Well done.
One for the home team. We're going to head on out and get dried off and go to the Oyster Catcher restaurant for a bit of food down the road in Post Naked. Croeso i'r Oyster Catcher. Ydych chi'n licio fa? Mae'r lle'n brydferth iawn dydi? Ydych chi'n licio fa? Mae'r golygfeydd yn fendigedig. Did you get any of that?
No. Yeah, everywhere.
It's time to brush up on your Welsh then. Because funny enough, the next challenge is Sialens Gymraeg, the Welsh challenge. You choose what you want and I will teach you how to order your food in Welsh. Are you for that?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, let's get the menus and see what's on there.
How do you say garlic mushrooms?
Madarch,
Matar.
garlleg.
Garlic.
That sounds like there's been a magdar. There's been a garlic mushroom.
Sgwelwch yn dda.
Yn swelwch yn dda. A cow's glass, tatus melys.
Os.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Da iawn. Ymdrech da iawn. Good first time.
Salad cicyth môr.
Yep.
Gwelwch yn dda.
Stefan.
Yes.
Yn y tws.
Yes.
I think whoever pronounced it the best be yourself.
Just really ordered a salad.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That's what you need after a good serve.
Big old fill up after the soap.
Sound off, so full now.
That was lovely. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Enjoy the food.
Really good.
Bendigedig.
Bendigedig.
So we're now going to move on to our third location. All set?
Yeah, ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do
get
it.
going.
Woohoo!
Well, croeso I Gastell Caernarfon. Welcome to Caernarfon Castle. It's situated right in the centre of the market town of Caernarfon here in Gwynedd. Sorry, I didn't know you were visiting, so I haven't cleaned up, so you must excuse the mess of my house. Now then, I've got another challenge for you here.
We love challenges.
Challenge a Castell, the Castle Challenge. Best photo with a dragon. Don't stand too close in case she bites. Okay. The person who can take the best selfie and gets the most likes by tomorrow afternoon will win the challenge. 1, 2, 3, go!
You need to get out because I won't get very likes for you.
Oh, that dragon. Get that dragon out.
May the best Instagrammer win.
Go! I've got 33,000 already. Well, we've finished our first day of activities. Have you enjoyed yourselves?
Yeah.
You had a good day?
Brilliant.
The last Welsh word of the day, North Star. Good night or good evening. Whichever you prefer.
North Star.
Iechyd da. Iechyd da. Here they are. Morning, Dad. Did you sleep well?
Last events in Wales.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Are you
amazing.
ready for your second day of activities?
I'm so excited.
Yeah? Well, the car's here, so pile in and I'll brief you once we get there.
Here we go, day 2.
Mewn a ni, mewn a ni. You can guess what today's challenge is. Challenge a zip. The zip challenge. The fastest zip wins.
I've got to win something.
Right then, shall we get up to the top?
You carrying us on your back like a little donkey.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, tree.
Chippy!
I want to win. I really want to win.
It's grassy. It looks soft.
May the best zip liner win.
She just looks funny no matter what she does, doesn't she?
Okay, guys, in 3, 2, 1, go!
That was incredible. That was so fast, wasn't it? Luke won. And then
I want him to win because he's a little smarter than us.
May was ahead for quite some time, but I managed to dig deep and took the victory home. So thanks very much.
Croeso i'r lleoliad nesaf sef Bwyd Cymru Bodnant. Welcome to the next location. I've arranged a Welsh cake making competition for us. Who's got this one?
I think I've got it.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Woo!
Who will have the nicest Welsh cakes? Now, Hefin will be deciding who makes the best Welsh cakes out of the 4 of us.
Have I told you how nice you look today?
Judge, let's do it.
Do it.
Really simple, lightly dust the table. You don't need loads of it, or you're just going to add more flour to the cake cut. Don't worry about the wastage, that's it. So you see how simple it was. I want 4 identical, same thickness, Welsh cakes.
This is like the thing of Wales, isn't it? Welsh cakes. Sweet.
Amazing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Make it look
very easy.
It's so easy to wind up. I've been doing the whole trip, and every time he gets me, it's gone red.
I did it.
I've never made a Welsh cake. My grandmother makes them for me.
Oh.
So basically there's 2 halves, and what Hefin neglected to tell us is one is hotter than the other. So mine and Jess's have kind of melted into a glue.
Do you know what? I'm secretly quite confident.
Look at this one.
I look the same as before they went on the thing to when they do now.
This is what I was after. Judge him. So, like I said, I'm after a crisp top and bottom.
Is there any redeeming feature to them?
No.
First, yeah?
Fourth would be here.
Oh, what? No.
Just for the fact that it's completely raw. So this would be third,
Yes, mate.
second and third.
So I'm going to move things on swiftly to the final challenge.
Final.
Ready? What do I need?
Let's do it.
I'm going to take these with me.
How's everyone's Instagram doing?
Well,
It's gone up.
It's going to be close, I think, between second and third.
My mum's drinking.
Our final challenge brings us to great heights looking over Llandudno. Beautiful views, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Challenge a tube eira. The snow tubing challenge. So remember guys, this is the final challenge. So whoever wins this challenge and the Instagram challenge will be crowned the legendary North Wales champion.
Hope it's me.
It'll be me.
I've frozen it.
Brilliant. Right, well, let's get going then.
Come on then.
Let's do this!
May I have a drum roll, please? I can now announce the winner of the Instagram challenge. It's Nadine! In second place, it's Jessica Ellis.
Yes, we are more popular than the ball.
In third place, we have Luke Jurdy. And in last place, it's me. Now, obviously, we've been collecting points all weekend. And I can reveal also that the scoring table is very close. We have 2 people in joint first at the minute. So this race will determine who will win the champion title. Are you ready?
Yes.
We'll be telling the scores now. I can't wait to see who's going to win. Wel, mae'r penwythnos wedi dod I ben a dyn ni wedi cael amser bendigedig yn Gwynedd Môn a Conwy. Have you enjoyed your time in Gwynedd, Conwy and Anglesey?
Yes!
Amazing. So I've got a very important envelope in my hand. I'm about to announce the winner of the legendary weekend in North Wales. In 4th place, Miss Jessica Ellis.
Yay!
Take a bow. You've been a wonderful sport.
I own it with pride.
In 3rd place, it's me.
Well done, mate.
Bit embarrassing
Well
in your
done.
own hometown.
Yeah, never mind. Moving on swiftly. In 2nd place is Nadine.
Oh
The winner of the weekend is Luke Jurdy. Congratulations.
no! Fair play.
You know, I said we had a little prize for you.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it out of the bag.
Yeah!
Dragoch, the Welsh
Fantastic.
dragon. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So the last Welsh word is hwyl fawr. Goodbye. Hwyl fawr!